What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about Kripalu Yoga. What is Kripalu Yoga? What are the benefits of Kripalu Yoga? Should you practice Kripalu Yoga if you are a complete beginner and new to yoga or not? And what can you get out of it for your health, for your body, for your mind and for your soul? So before we head on to the video, I'm releasing a new book, How to Boost Your Metabolism with Yoga. It is free right now for a limited time. You can get it on my website. The link will be in the description box below. So make sure you check it out to have a great start in your yoga practice, improve fast, burn plenty of calories and get in great shape. So what is Kripalu Yoga? Well, Kripalu Yoga is one special type of yoga. It is quite popular and is among the most popular types of yoga such as Power Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, Iyengar Yoga or Hatha Yoga. But Kripalu Yoga is quite new. It is a very modern type of yoga which was founded in Massachusetts in the US from someone from India and in the 1980s. It is quite spiritual. The emphasis is not so much on physical practice, in contrary of many other types of yoga, but also is very emotional and psychological and spiritual. Kripalu Yoga is a very gentle type of yoga. Usually, in a Kripalu Yoga class, you will have breath work, the practice of different physical postures, meditation and deep relaxation. So all together, this makes for a well-rounded and balanced yoga practice. So I highly recommend Kripalu Yoga for beginners who are new to yoga and want to learn the basics of yoga gently and in a quite easy fashion. Kripalu Yoga is suitable for everybody, regardless of your age, of your fitness level, your body types, size or your abilities. You can practice Kripalu Yoga. It is gentle and you will learn the basics of yoga in a safe environment. You can progress at your own rhythm. It's very common that in a Kripalu Yoga class, students are encouraged to progress at their own pace, to focus on their own body and do what feels right for them. That is exactly what I advise all my yoga students. You should at all times feel great when you practice yoga. Yoga should make you feel amazing. It should improve your self-awareness and make you discover yourself, make you enjoy your life and your body even more. So if something feels not quite right during yoga, it means that something is wrong. If you feel any pain, it means that something is going out of place. So you should focus on how you feel and adjust accordingly. Discomfort, some level of discomfort is okay when you're first starting out and new to yoga. When you go into places where a lot of changes are required in your mind, in the way you think, in your body, then you can feel some discomfort and it is normal. Everybody experiences some level of discomfort at some time during their yoga practice. But what you should avoid at all costs is pain. Pain is your body telling you that you should change something. You should avoid pain at all costs. That's why Kripalu Yoga is very effective at teaching you to focus on how you feel, on your body. Your body is your best teacher. If you focus on how you feel at all times, you can realize what makes you feel good and what can make you progress faster. So if you want a very gentle style of yoga where you can get plenty of benefits for your health and well-being, Kripalu Yoga might be the right choice for you. It is a very popular types of yoga who already help millions of people. So I highly recommend that you check it out. sometimes when you progress on your yoga journey, you might want to look at Kripalu Yoga. It's a very, very good experience to feel self-awareness, to strengthen the connection between your mind and your body, and to feel at peace within yourself, to calm down, to relax, to reflect on your practice, and to obtain a higher state of spiritual awareness. Kripalu Yoga, in contrary to many other types of yoga, focuses on balancing body, mind and soul equally together. So the physical practice is not more important as the breathing aspect or the meditative aspect. So together with poses, breathing exercises, deep relaxation and meditation, all of these plays an equal part in Kripalu Yoga teachings. So if you want to raise your self-awareness, being more attuned to your body and how you feel, if you want to get rid of stress, anxiety, depression, if you want to calm down, clear your mind, find inner peace, and reflect on how you feel, and find your purpose in life, being more attuned to your body and your goals, then Kripalu Yoga is a very good choice. So I highly recommend that you check it out, guys. If you want a ton of advice on your yoga practice, if you want some support and guidance that is personalized on your transformation journey towards the healthiest and happiest you, I highly recommend that you check out our website. The link will be in the description box below. You can join on our website the Panaprium Support Group. It's a community and education of experienced yogi who shares their teachings together. It's a very wonderful community of supportive people that support and help each other on their yoga journey. So if you want to get fit, get in great shape, or progress rapidly in your yoga practice, I highly recommend that you check it out, guys. So in the description you will also find the link to my free book, Yoga for a Faster Metabolism. It will help you get on the right foot when you start with your yoga practice. You will find my best tips about what poses to practice and how often to practice, what are the best poses for beginners, what kind of diet should you follow when you practice yoga regularly. A ton of wonderful advice, many mistakes to avoid that I wish I knew about when I started practicing yoga a few years back. So click on the link and check it out. It is downloadable for free right now. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like, comment and share this video with your friends who might find it useful. And I will see you tomorrow.